The magnitude 6.7 earthquake that struck Surigao del Norte on February 10 killed 8 people and resulted in nearly 700 million pesos worth of damage. In its post-disaster assessment, US-based NGO Build Change found that many of the structures in Surigao City exhibited substandard quality. The group, after the magnitude 7.2 Bohol quake in 2013, also had similar findings. Many of the houses were poorly built with low-quality materials. Another local audit of the damaged structures revealed some buildings in Cebu and Bohol used substandard materials. This even prompted a Senate investigation by the Committee on Trade, then chaired by Senator Bam Aquino.
Nalaman namin na it's because the houses and the buildings na gumiba was that they were using substandard steel. DTI was able to do a nationwide store check on the matter at may nahanap nga sila, and they were able to file the necessary charges or confiscations.
While the Trade Department assures a clampdown against substandard steel and other construction materials, this measure only covers buildings now under construction. For existing buildings, there has yet to be a nationwide audit on their structural integrity. Data from a 2011 study by Dr. Benito Pacheco of the UP Institute of Civil Engineering show 35% of low-rise residential buildings in Metro Manila and 25% of mid-rise buildings may not be up to standards. This is because they adhered to older construction codes and standards. The Department of Public Works and Highways conducts structural audits on certain buildings and infrastructure, but the burden of ensuring the structures conform to standards rests on local government units. In Quezon City, the engineering office has inspected 5,000 buildings since 2012, but an official says that may not even be half of the total number of buildings in the city. The city only has over 30 engineers and architects and 3 service vehicles.
Sa mga buildings na 15 years pataas, meron ding annual inspection. Sa amin kasi meron kaming 12 teams, so sa dami ng establishment, kulang talaga.
The Association of Structural Engineers of the Philippines, or ASEP, says that nationwide there is a lack of government engineers. ASEP also assists in updating the National Structural Code, which sets construction standards. The 2015 edition now includes regional fault maps. It also now classifies schools and other public buildings used as evacuation centers as essential facilities. This means that such facilities have stricter requirements for earthquake-resistant design.
As long as you meet the requirements of the code, you're in a way, dapat walang may assurance ka dyan na okay yung structure mo.
But homes and smaller structures are still a worry. According to ASEP, these are usually just designed by masons or carpenters. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology has prepared a checklist to assess the earthquake preparedness of homes and small structures. But the agency says it's better to still consult experts. Aside from a nationwide audit of buildings, PHIVOLCS is also pushing for a thorough evaluation of transport systems. Ruth Cabal, CNN Philippines.